Good morning student, welcome to physical education class. Today we are going to start unit 10 training in sport. So what is the meaning of training? First we know that physical fitness component, its strength, speed, endurance, flexibility and coordination. So student, every sport like marathon need endurance, gymnastic need flexibility. So physical fitness component interrelated with each other. So a special type of game and a special movement needs a special component. In wrestling you need strength. So a systematic, scientific and specific way to improve our component with related game and sport. You can say that with related a special type movement in game and sport or whole game. You need training in sport. You can say that is a training in sport. You can understand that is a systematic and scientific way to improve our performance. It's called training. In this lesson, we discuss about physical fitness component and developing method of every component. Okay, student. Our first physical fitness component is strength. It is an ability of muscles to overcome resistance or act against resistance. Strength can be defined as the amount of force in muscles. You can say that muscles generate force. It's a ability of our muscles to generate the force. You can say that it's a resistance. When you up, it's a working as a resistance and your muscles generate a force. It's called strength. It's a resistance or load. Everyone know that it's not only resistance weight. Its weight is whole hand. Whole hand weight with duster is called resistance. So strength, it is essential component for game and sport. Different games require different level and type of strength. It can be improved through systematic training. So many types of strength. First type, it is mainly two types. First is static strength. I repeat, name static strength. Static strength. In static position, it is also known as isometric. Isometric. Iso means same. Metric means no change of the length of muscles. Strength, it is a ability to act against resistance from single or one position. Example, arm wrestling, power lifting, static position and pushing the wall. It's an example. So, student, everyone know that static strength, static position and pushing the wall. Static. Our next strength is B, dynamic strength. You can see that name dynamic means movement. It is also known isotonic strength. It is related to movement. You can say that it is required for movement. It is three types. First, we know that maximal strength. It is ability to act against maximum resistance. It is quality of muscles contract forcefully in quickest possible time. Here is example. Throwing distance depend upon muscles force. Who generate force? contract होगी, ठीक, जनरेट फोर्स विथ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मसल्स, और जितनी जल्दी पॉसिबल टाइम में कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होगी उतनी दूर डिस्टेंस कवर करेगी, ठीक। नेक्स्ट इज एक्सप्लोसिव स्ट्रेंथ. इट इज ए कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ एंड स्पीड. इट इज द एबिलिटी टू ओवरकम रेजिस्टेंस विथ हाई स्पीड. It is required in those games where fast and powerful response are required, like Kho-Kho. Sit here and Kho. Second example is long jump. Okay? It is the ability muscles perform forcefully movement at quickest possible time. Explosive strength, explosive, विस्फोटक शक्ति आप कह सकते हैं हिंदी में. तो इट इज ए कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ एंड स्पीड. लास्ट इज स्ट्रेंथ इंडोरेंस. वेयर इज इंडोरेंस? इट्स ए कंडीशन ऑफ फैटिग, थकावट की पोजीशन है. It is the ability to overcome resistance under fatigue. Example: long distance races, swimming, cycling, mountaineering. So it is a types of strength. The way of measuring maximum strength, you can count the attempts. Powerlifting attempt, measuring maximal strength. Second, explosive strength. What is the way of measuring? It's a dynamometer. You can measure maximum strength with the help of dynamometer. Or last is strength endurance. It's the condition of, it is a ability to overcome resistance to under fatigue. फैटिग की कंडीशन में जो पावर आपको मिलती रहती है, इट्स ए स्ट्रेंथ एंडोरेंस. ओके स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज ट्रेनिंग मेथड फॉर स्ट्रेंथ डेवलपमेंट. सो इन दिस चार्ट यू कैन सी दैट मेनली 3 टाइप्स एक्सरसाइज. फर्स्ट इज आइसोमेट्रिक. सो स्टूडेंट, आइसोमेट्रिक इज एक्सरसाइज नो विजिबल मूवमेंट, length in muscles remains same. Means muscles contract, make tension, but no visible movement. Here is example: push the wall. Next example is hold the load. Muscles contract, but no movement in joint. Is called isometric. It's invented by Hettinger and Muller, 1953. Its next example is holding position. Any holding position, you can see that is a holding position, is isometric. Next exercise is isotonic, invented by D. Loney, 1954. Visible movement, length of muscles change. Visible movement मतलब you can see that. Visible movement. Okay? And muscles length is change. Isotonic. But tone means tension is same during the movement. It's called isotonic exercise, invented by D. Loney, 1954. Visible movement, length of muscles change. It's two-part concentric exercise, upward movement, flexor muscles contract. You know that flexion and extension. Flexion and extension. Here you can say that concentric and eccentric. Upward movement of flexor muscles contract. The flexor muscles here is contract. Flexor muscle is contract. And downward movement extensor muscles is contract. Here is a extensor muscles and it's a flexor muscle. Flexor muscle contract is concentric and extensor muscles is contract is eccentric, like flexion and extension. Last is isokinetic. Iso means same, kinetic means movement, same movement. Visible movement along with high contraction in flexion and extension muscles. It is possible by machines like treadmill. It's invented by Perrin 1968. So here is a training method of strength development, 3 type exercise. Okay student, here is a comparing chart, isometric exercise, isotonic exercise and isokinetic exercise. This is a training method to develop our strength. So first is isometric exercise developed by Ettinger and Muller 1953. It's very important. Second is isotonic exercise developed by D. Loney 1954 and isokinetic exercise Perrin 1968. Movement is no visible movement and here is visible movement. Pressure, which pressure? Contain our muscles. Muscles पे जो pressure आता है. Which type pressure? Tremendous pressure in isometric exercise, average pressure in isotonic exercise and high pressure isokinetic exercise, because iso means same, kinetic is movement is same during the exercise, like treadmill. Required equipment in isometric exercise, no or less equipment. Pushing ball, no equipment. Harris position, no equipment. Some equipment like duster you was using isometric exercise. So less equipment you can say and no equipment. In isotonic exercise, equipment may be used because this kind of exercise we do it in isotonic exercise. Isokinetic specialized equipment are required like treadmill, because without equipment we cannot do this exercise. Isokinetic. Which type develop strength? In isometric, static and maximum strength is developed through this process. Isotonic exercise develop explosive strength and strength endurance, and isokinetic exercise develop all type of strength. Game, judo, gymnastic. You can say that power games are sport, wrestling, judo, gymnastic, kabaddi, weightlifting is required training through isometric exercise. In isotonic, all games, and isokinetic, all games. Both training is perfect, all games. Not recommend for, इसको नहीं करना चाहिए हार्ट पेशेंट, बिकॉज it generates tremendous pressure on the muscles. Isotonic may cause injury. You can do very fast. Isokinetic may cause injury. You not use instrument properly without guidance. You may injure. Okay, student. In video, we can understand strength and its training method.